Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Tahini. Today I'm going to show you guys something interesting recipe called Tahini. It's made with sesame seed, which is a great source of healthy fats, iron, calcium and magnesium. We use tahini to make hummus. It's great for salad dressing. I'm going to share more tahini recipes in the upcoming weeks, so stay tuned for it. This week I wanted to share the recipe to show how to make tahini from scratch at home. It's super simple to make it. So in this video I'm not only showing tahini recipe, but also I'm going to share how to make a cocoa spread from tahini or sesame seed paste. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Let's make tahini now. Tahini is nothing but a sesame seed paste. Check on the ingredients to make tahini. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. Let's get started. Take a large pan. On a medium-high flame, add sesame seeds. Just warm every sesame seeds will be enough for making tahini. Don't roast them until all of it turns to brown. You can use a cast iron pan as well for browning. When it is hot, the sesame seed loses some oil, so you have to blend it when it is hot. Now it's done. Take a blender or food processor, add the sesame seeds while they are still hot. I am selecting a nut butter option in my Ace Plus blender. Pulse for a couple of minutes. First, the texture is going to be sand-like. Don't give up on that stage, continue blending it. Scrap it when it needs. After enough patience, your tahini is going to be creamy. This is how it looks like after 2 minutes. After a couple of minutes, add 3 tablespoons of flavorless oil. You can use hazelnut oil, grapeseed oil or sunflower oil, but prefer a seed oil than olive oil for this recipe. Continue blending for another 3 more minutes. After working food processor or blender for another 3 minutes, super creamy and dreamy tahini is ready to enjoy now. Let's open and see. Wow, look at this. Tahini is so creamy. It can be stored at room temperature for a week. Enjoy this tahini with dressing for a salad or use this condiment to make more yummy food. Let's see how to make a cocoa spread from tahini, or I can say it's tahini Nutella. Let's check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. Let's get started. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of tahini and 1 heap teaspoon of cocoa powder. Mix it well. I love this spread. This is best healthy alternative for regular Nutella with a twist of sesame flavor. Healthy cocoa spread is ready. You can adjust the amounts to your taste. You can use this tahini for more amazing and healthy foods. Stay tuned for more tahini recipes in the upcoming week. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook and pin the recipes in Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.